Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. As you recall, I had done an initial review of this 46-piece socket set. It's a 1/4-inch drive. I had bought 3 of these and got a group discount for buying the 3 units. The first unit has been fine. I've been using it. The second unit I broke into to move around the yard wherever I was working on mowers at the time, and the ratchet failed on me after one repair. So we're going to discuss that right now. So I just dissected the ratchet. I didn't anticipate doing that, but I saw that I had the right T10 Torx to disassemble it. This ratchet's from another unit. You got 2 Torx here, and it happens to be that there's the T10 in the kit. So I remove both the screws here on the top of the head, and what happens, this backing plate comes off. You got your 2 screws, the T10, and what the ratchet was doing, it would work in one direction. You flip it to the other side, and it was just freewheeling. It wasn't ratcheting at all. Go back to the other side, it would ratchet. This side, it would just spin and not grab. So upon taking it apart, I see what the issue is. I've never taken a head off of a ratchet, but it doesn't seem to be too complicated. I think it's just low China quality. As you can see here, the spring is jammed up, making that arm stick, and that was the issue with it freewheeling on this side. The spring is intact on this side. They're actually numbered number 1 and number 2, lefty and loosey. So I'm assuming if I unjam this spring here on the left side, we're going to have ratcheting in both directions. So normally on a good set, a quality set, you'd have some bearings, most likely ball bearings. This is a rudimentary design here, which is reflected in the cost. I think I paid 12 or 13 maybe, or even less per kit if I bought it in bulk. So let's try to rectify this thing right now and see what we can do. Put the head back in like so. Try to unspring this spring here without it getting lost. Yeah, spring just popped out of place, so this is going to be more complicated than I anticipated. Yep, it just bounced out. Luckily on the table. I may need more tools than what I have here. I gotta fish this thing in. Maybe I can do it on camera, maybe not. Move the lever to give me some gap, and maybe I can weasel it in. Fat side of the spring, this is kind of cone shaped. Fat side of the spring goes against the wall. So this is probably going to be an issue using these things throughout their life. This this spring deal getting stuck. It's not the best system or the most reliable system. Okay, we're almost there. I got fat fingers. I wonder how they do this in China. Somebody's got to fight with this. I doubt this is put together with a machine. It's too intricate. Okay, here we go. We're cooking with fire. This is really rudimentary. The spring here should have a little notch or something to hold it in place. This thing is just bouncing around in there, freewheeling at its own will. Yeah, this is a shit system. That spring needs to be stabilized somehow. Okay, let's put this piece of crap back together. Okay, turn it over, screws from the top. I'll just have to put a Craftsman driver in my kits, or some other better brand than these things. I can't be pulling these things apart on a daily basis just to fix junk lawnmowers. Okay, I'm tightening them down with the T10 Torx. Ratcheting one direction, ratcheting the other way. So yep, spring kind of bounced out of place. Like I said, this is a Mickey Mouse rudimentary design on the ratchet head. Well, at least we fixed it. I was just going to do a video and say how crappy it was. So I decided to take it off. It's not that complicated. So we're back in business. Here's the one that I've been using. I wonder if I slathered a bunch of axle grease in there around that spring, if that would have kept it in place. The heavy grease keep the spring from bouncing around. Okay, that's enough of this. I got mowers to fix. Surprised we salvaged it. I thought the thing was going to be all broken apart. Anywho, there you have it in a nutshell. If anything, the sockets and the Torx and whatnot are worth it. I don't have much confidence in the ratchet, like I said. Thanks for checking out this piece of crap. It's not Taiwan's quality tools. That was a switcheroo. That's the real deal on the TY31 46-piece pile of crap. You guys have a good day today. I'm going to go destroy some lawnmowers with my mascot. Neighborhood cat stopped by to visit. You guys keep moving.